The new Peugeot 508L will be launched on August 11 with a standard configuration of 1.8T plus 8 at or a starting price of 163,700 yuan. The new Peugeot 508L will be officially launched on August 11. As a mid-term makeover model, the new car has been redesigned mainly for the front. In terms of exterior design, compared to the current model, the new car has a redesigned front. In terms of detailed design, the front of the new car has been replaced with an oversized frameless air intake grille, and the headlights also feature an L-shaped design. LED light strip in the shape of a lion's paw integrated inside. In addition, the new car also adopts the new Peugeot logo, and a more extravagant sports package is added to the lower part of the front fascia, further increasing the personalization and visual aggression of the front end. As for the side of the body, the side of the new car has changed significantly compared to the models on sale, and the overall look still offers a low and dynamic visual stance. In addition, the waistline on the body runs along the front and rear body, further enhancing the vehicle's sense of power. In terms of body measurements, detailed data have not been obtained yet. For reference, the body size of the current model is 4,870 by 1,855 by 1,455 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,848 mm. In terms of interior design, the new car did not make too many adjustments to the interior, but followed the interior layout of the current model. In terms of detailed design, the new car's center console area is equipped with a double-wide flat-bottom steering wheel, a 12.3-inch LCD instrumentation and a 10-inch center control display. At the same time, the electronic gear mechanism continues in the new car, and there are water glass holders and storage compartments around the gear lever. In addition, the new car retains the physical air conditioning buttons, and the car is also equipped with the latest Bluetooth 3.0 smart network connection system, which supports GPS online navigation, road rescue service, Huawei HiCar, online network. Available in voice recognition control, Wi-Fi hotspot and other functions. In addition, the seats of the new car will continue to be covered with artificial leather or genuine leather, and functions such as electric adjustment of the front seats, heating, ventilation, memory have been added. For the power unit, the new car cancels the 1.6T engine and replaces it with a standard 1.8T engine mated to an 8-at gearbox with a maximum power of 155 kW, 211 PS, and a maximum torque of 300 Nm for the entire range.